This 20 volts max cordless kit includes one brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool with a universal accessory adapter and 2 wood-cutting blades to help get your project started. The Dewalt Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool has a powerful brushless motor that provides up to 57% more runtime over a similar brush tool. The 3-speed selector allows users to choose their speed setting based on the application. The quick change accessory system allows you to change blades quickly and easily. And with the universal accessory adapter, it's compatible with most oscillating tool accessories. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate speed and application control. The bright LED illuminates dark workspaces, battery, charger, and tool guide systems sold separately. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The 3-speed selector of Dewalt 20V tools allows users to choose their speed setting based on the application. Number 2. The brushless motor of the Dewalt oscillating tool delivers up to 57% more runtime over brush. Number 3. Dual grip variable speed trigger of Dewalt cordless tools gives users ultimate speed and application control. Number 4. Universal accessory adapter for use with most oscillating tool accessory brands. Number 5. The quick change accessory system allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. Number 6. Bright LED illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.